Hello, everyone. This is Atmospheric Science Made Easy, an introduction by meteorologist Kenny G. This is my first time doing a video like this, so please bear with me. Um, first off, I would like to discuss my goals. Um, my goals for this channel is to cover a variety of different topics in different areas of atmospheric science. For example, I would I will cover topics in synoptic meteorology, radar, satellite, and dynamic meteorology, among many others. I would also like to cover topics regarding climate, especially those about global warming and climate change, even cover other areas such as atmospheric physics and chemistry. I plan to cover introductory level material to more complex material. I want to articulate these concepts, especially the more difficult ones, in an easier way to understand. Um, my what is my purpose for creating this channel? Well, number one is to help current students that may be struggling. I myself have had personal struggles when I was going through school to get my degree. If you are a student that is struggling, don't get discouraged, please. Like with hard work, dedication, and passion, you can get through it, as did I. Um, it took me a lot of time and dedication to master the material in order to get my degree. Uh, so if that's what it takes, that's what it takes. You'll get there. Um, Number two, I hope to inspire those who are already looking to pursue a career in the atmospheric sciences. If there are people out there that already have an aspiration to become an atmospheric scientist, I'm hoping that if they see even one of my videos, it will ignite that fire inside of them, so to speak, to pursue a career in the atmospheric sciences. Motivation is key. Um, Number three here. I also hope to educate those who are not in the atmospheric sciences, and I hope to spread an appreciation of what atmospheric scientists do, what we do for a living. I understand that a lot of meteorologists, for example, they do get a bad rap for not knowing what they're talking about. I hope that my videos give perspective on what it takes to be a meteorologist or to be an expert in any other field in the atmospheric science. With greater respect and appreciation, the public may be more inclined to take forecasts seriously, especially when weather poses a dangerous threat. Trust is much needed. Lastly, I hope that I can make this a fun and learning environment. I hope my channel produces a willingness and a desired need, excuse me, to learn about many topics in the atmospheric sciences. My goal is to post at least one video a week. What will the formatting be like? Um, I plan to screen share PowerPoints like this one. I also plan to show meteorological data such as weather maps, QT, log P diagrams, radar, satellite, and even some model data, for example. Another thing I would plan to do on this channel is to make videos where I can write out work problems for you guys here on my screen. That way I can go through step by step with you and hopefully make things clear and concise. Uh, and if ever I cause any confusion or any of you have any questions, please do not hesitate to post questions or comments below. That is important. And another important point to make is that I would like to respond to viewers' questions and comments, whether that be directly in the comment section or if the question requires an in-depth response. I may even make a whole video regarding your question without saying your name. Um, Again, please don't hesitate to ask any questions. There's no such thing as a dumb question either. Um, I'd like to go over a couple more things before concluding this video. First, what is atmospheric science? Well, it is a branch of science that is concerned with how the atmosphere works and all of its phenomenon. As the last point says here, atmospheric scientists are interested in studying the physical and dynamical processes of the Earth's atmosphere. Many of the physical laws that you learn in physics and chemistry, such as those of Newton's laws of motion and thermodynamics, can be applied to the Earth's atmosphere. This allows us to get a good quantitative as well as qualitative understanding of how the atmosphere behaves. All of these equations that you learn that aid in describing atmospheric behavior are inputted into the numerical models you may be familiar with. This is especially important for a student in the atmospheric sciences to take many classes in mathematics and even physics and chemistry. And of course, there are a lot of different fields within the atmospheric sciences, such as meteorology, which is concerned with the short term timescale on an order of a week or less. Also, climatology, which is concerned with the long term adverse impacts of different weather variables, such as temperature, humidity, etc. Even tornadoes, geopotential height, which is stuff I will go over in later videos. For example, there's the old saying that climate is what you expect, weather is what you get. And that is so true. Another area in the atmospheric sciences is one called aerology. These atmospheric scientists are interested in studying the Earth's upper portions of its atmosphere. Uh, Lastly, why study atmospheric science? What is it? What is its importance? Well, weather affects our everyday lives. The public and aviation communities heavily rely on meteorologists in order to be informed on weather conditions. It is very crucial for everyone to be aware of any possible oncoming danger heading their way. Another reason is, well, models aren't perfect. This is why we need people. The human is actually better than the computer, especially when you get further out in time. Models are also not really great at predicting extremes, so it is important for a human being to monitor the weather at all times. Tons of research and improved understanding is needed always. I have this arrow here, right here to sorry, excuse me. I have this arrow here because these two bullet points go hand in hand. With improved understanding and adequate research, we can improve our numerical weather models to produce better forecasts. We may also be able to come up with better forecasting strategies with more research. There is also a lot of good research going on right now to improve our understanding so that we can, you know, um, improve our forecast to save more lives. For example, there are meteorologists dedicated into finding out why some supercell storms produce tornadoes and why others don't. That is a phenomenon that is not well understood. A career in atmospheric science provides a way to help save lives and property. If you are someone who has a strong passion in weather and the desire to save lives, this is a career for you. One last point to make is that there are many opportunities. Um, you know, Weather is always going to happen, and there is a great need for meteorologists everywhere. Some examples are government jobs such as the National Weather Service or National Hurricane Center, National Severe Storm Laboratory, even the Department of Agriculture, Energy, Department of Transportation, you name it. You can also get a career as, the broadcast meteorologist like the ones you see on TV, or you can even get a private sector meteorologist job. There are many private companies, big and small, out there that have a need for a meteorologist. Um, this it concludes the video. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe below. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to post them in the comment section. As an important note, if there is anything you would like me to do differently here, please let me know. I want to do the best I can to help you guys out and make this a fun and learning experience. Um, I am open to criticism, 100%. And thank you very much for your time, and have a good day, everyone.